this only use me guns 311, and you're probably thinking I'm copying only use me blade, but I am not, because, well, I kinda am, but it's because I like him so much. Yes, but anyway, off that, back to the topic. The glitch of the no gun glitch, you can do another thing. If you chuck your flash or whatever is your tactical, it does another thing. It's pretty cool. It's different to different guns though. So we do this. Yep. See, that's the MSR thermal with the one hand glitch, and that's this weird. That's the no gun at all glitch, but it doesn't turn out like it on this. Yes, see, it still shoots. Just goes really weird. If I chuck my concussions, go, now it's even different, more different. You can still aim and everything, still normal. And then if you just change back, it's normal again. So yeah. See ya, guys. I'm out.